How to set up dynamic IP in Windows 11. Search box. ncpa.cpl. ncpa.cpl. Ethernet and Wi-Fi. If you are using a wired connection, right-click on the icon named Ethernet. Properties. Internet Protocol version 4. Properties. Set up dynamic IP mode. Obtain an IP address automatically. Obtain DNS server address automatically. OK. Close. If you are using a wireless connection, right-click on the icon named Wi-Fi. The setup is similar to a wired connection. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Internet Protocol version 4. Properties. Obtain an IP address automatically. Obtain DNS server address automatically. OK. Close.